Some of the major universities across the country want their students to be vaccinated against COVID-19. The CDC hasn't given much guidance, however, on vaccinating young adults at this point. So we are checking in with our local college leaders to see what they're recommending. ABC 6 News reporter Brett Backley joins us live with more on this. Brett?
Well, here on campus at Riverland, there won't be a requirement anytime soon. They are promoting a campaign to get the vaccine. They're encouraging it. And down in Iowa, it's the same story, but they're taking a little bit more of an aggressive approach. College students are just weeks away from packing up and heading home for summer break. And this year, they could be bringing an unwanted guest back with them, the coronavirus. That's why some area community colleges want to get their students vaccinated before sending them home.
A few weeks ago, I had the opportunity to order 600 Johnson & Johnson vaccines, and we started the plans to transport students to public health and if they wanted it. And even our public health said they'd come on campus, go door to door in our dormitories, but that just never happened.
NIACC ordered hundreds of the J&J vaccine just before they were put on pause. With graduation now less than 2 weeks away, the delay has made for a tricky timeline.
Part of the challenge is with our out-of-staters and international students is that 4-week window. So some of them are kind of caught in a, do I get vaccinated before I go home or not? But for those that are going to be around for 4 weeks, we've certainly encouraged them to get to public health.
At this time, the vaccine is not being required on campus, nor when students return in the fall.
Until it comes off the emergency status list, that we should not consider that, although there may come a time that it becomes part of what we do.
In Minnesota, some private colleges and universities are requiring the vaccination. At Riverland in Austin, the college is encouraging vaccination, but says it also recognizes it's a personal choice, and as a public college is not requiring the shot. The same goes for RCTC. And back in Iowa, NIACC they'll have their graduation May 7th, and they plan to hold 4 separate face-to-face commencement ceremonies to allow for that social distancing. Betsy?